Hello, so this is the Clean Wing Leading Edge Cleaning Kit from Sporters. It costs $32.95 plus whatever it costs to get it shipped to wherever you are. It's actually called the Leading Edge Scrubber Kit. It consists of a couple of microfiber cloths, which I'm going to be very careful not to drop or put down. It consists of 2 of these blue pads, which are kind of look a little bit like Scotch-Brites, but they're significantly softer than Scotch-Brites, and they make you feel a little bit ooh, kind of thing. Plus one of these leading edge shaped bits of flexible rubber. And the idea is that you put either one of these Scotch-Brite things, I think, or one of the microfibers inside and use it to clean your leading edge wing. Now, if like me, that worries you a little bit, certainly these Scotch-Brite things, so I'm going to be very careful with these because these seem like they, even though they feel pretty soft, I'm not sure how abrasive they would be. And when you read the instructions, this is obviously, they're obviously a bit concerned that you might be damaging your leading edge, so you have to be careful. So do not let the cleaning pads touch the ground. They pick up grit. Do store the cleaning pads in a dirt-free area, no more grit. Do rinse the surface free of any debris which may cause scratching before scrubbing, good idea. Wash the cleaning pad after each use to ensure there's no debris left in the fibres, more scratching, and to ensure long-lasting use, keep the cleaning pads clean, obviously. So I guess there's some concern in there that you could use this as a pretty effective tool to take whole chunks of paint out of your leading edge, particularly if your paint's not in great condition. So it's going to be used with care. And in terms of how to use it, apply safe cleaning solution to the surface. Yep, apply safe clean cleaning solution to the cleaning pad. Dave Calderwood would struggle with this, wouldn't he? Place cleaning pad or microfiber cloth inside the Clean Wing scrubber. Yep, so you can put both in, get to cleaning. Dry the surface with a clean microfiber cloth. So lots of clean. Clean wings, clean is the active work. Do it clean and clean effectively. So, not quite sure what it's going to be like. Let's go give it a go. God, look at this. Bugs everywhere. It's like a bug cemetery, isn't it? So the idea, as far as I can understand, is that you put your microfiber cloth or one of the other pads, which I think are maybe a little bit abrasive, I'll try those in a minute, into the holder, put some moisture on that, and then clean away. Let's take a look. Well, it seems to fit. And at least on my airplane, it kind of misses the vortex generators, which I guess is a good thing. Let's try it on here. You can actually squeeze. It's not too bad on there. You can actually squeeze these bits of rubber here so that it kind of adapts a little bit better to the surface. But I have to say, my baked-on insect splats are still remaining splats at the moment with the microfiber. Okay, so I'm not brave enough to apply one of these abrasive pads inside, so I'm going to just wet it a little bit more here. I'll wet my abrasive pad a little bit, come back and clean that up in a minute. That's pretty effective as a kind of light abrasive pad. That's going to take everything off really, really nicely, but I am pressing so lightly here. That is really, really impressive. But you wouldn't believe how lightly I'm pressing. Okay, let's take a perfectly clean microfiber and see what we end up with. And that's pretty good, actually. So I finished the leading edges. What do I think of it? Well, it's kind of interesting. It's different to what I expected. First of all, this, the kind of flexible thing with a soft microfiber inside is pretty good at doing a first pass on the leading edges. If you find that you've got a whole load of baked-on bugs or stubborn bugs, then this has been a revelation. I haven't been brave enough to put it in here because I just don't think you've got the control to stop scratching. I mean, I'm not sure if it would scratch, but I'm not willing to try it, and I think this takes that control away. However, in the hand, use lightly and moisten with water or whatever cleaning agent you're using. It's pretty effective at getting those baked off bugs off. You don't really have to scratch very hard. It's really, really good. Like I said, I've not been brave enough to put it in here, and I don't think I will ever be brave enough to put it in here. There's just not enough kind of control. But for a first pass, with a spotlessly clean and microfiber cloth and using this carefully on the leading edge and adapting to leading edges, this is pretty good as well. But like I said, I wouldn't be brave enough to put this in. I hope that was helpful. If it was, give us a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you soon.